Hi there, Holistretch fam. Welcome to a Holistretch video. In this video, you will learn 5 benefits of probiotics for good health. Why is it so important to listen to this video and to hear about probiotics? Well, the gut is the core of our immune system, and it's so important for us to strengthen our immune systems, especially these days when the food we eat is toxic, the water we drink is toxic, the air we freaking breathe is toxic. So what do? We got to keep our gut microbiome clean and clear and healthy. Just like you change the oil on a car for it to drive efficiently, we must optimize our gut microbiome for our bodies to work efficiently. Did you know that the gut is considered the second brain? It is because it consists of 100 million neurons. That's actually more than the spinal cord and the peripheral nervous system. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have many videos on gut health, working on creating more for you, and I have lots of videos on holistic healing. Today, I will also be sharing 3 brands of probiotics that have been the most effective in my life, and it is my hope that they also work for you. All right, let's get started. Let's go into the 5 ways that probiotics can help you and your health. Number 1, digestion. Our guts consist of lots of bacteria, and not all of that bacteria is good, but a lot of that bacteria is good. So how do we maintain that healthy balance of gut bacteria? We can do that through probiotics. It's said that 90% of Americans suffer from IBS or leaky gut symptoms. This is because we are eating a SAD diet, or the standard American diet. This is toxic for our bodies in the long run and can create brain fog, constipation, bloating, gas, yeast infections, confusion, so many things. And did you notice that I said a lot of things that have to do with the brain? That's because there's such an intimate connection between the gut and the brain. So we must take care of our gut microbiome in order to think properly and clearly. Number 2, immune function. The gut contains the majority of the immune system. And so when we balance out our gut, we balance our immune system, and our immune system is healthy and running efficiently and effectively. Let's do that. If you find yourself tired, sick, often, it could very well be because the bacteria in your gut is not balanced. Number 3, weight management. Probiotics can help you manage your weight. And that's because probiotics help to reduce inflammation in the body, and they also help balance your digestion. So if you're eating a lot of food and you're not digesting them properly, it could lead to weight gain, feeling sick, feeling full, feeling bloated, feeling gassy, all that stuff. So probiotics help to just regulate that digestive system and reduce inflammation in the body. Number 4, skin health. The skin is the largest organ in the body. So naturally the skin reflects what's going on internally. So if you have a lot of breakouts on your face, it could be hormonal, it could be your gut health, it could be your liver health. Pay attention to your skin. It's actually trying to tell you something. Also, because probiotics reduce inflammation, it can help with rosacea and it can help with eczema. So if you are suffering from those things, probiotics could potentially help with those issues as well. Number 5, mental health. If you heard the beginning of this video, you understand that there's an intimate connection between the gut and the brain. One thing I didn't share with you yet is that the gut also contains 90% of your serotonin. If you know what serotonin is, you know how important that is for your overall well-being. Serotonin is considered the happy hormone. A lot of people suffer from depression, and that could be because of that SAD diet, that standard American diet that is just unhealthy, that's toxic, that is creating inflammation in the body. When you create inflammation in the gut, you're creating inflammation in the brain. So of course, you're gonna suffer from confusion, brain fog. You're gonna suffer from anxiety. I will tell you, when I started clearing my body with whole foods, superfoods, and probiotics, my anxiety levels diminished by about 70%. My worry went away. I was less angry. I was more calm. So it's incredible the things that you'll notice when you clear out your gut microbiome, how much more clear your brain will be as well. The first probiotic brand that has been the most effective for me, hands down, is Puriome's Biomedic. Puriome is a brand that I will stand behind tooth and nail 1,000% over. This brand, I have literally been doing research on my health for the last 12 years. And I tried Puriome back in the day, tried to find another product that was superior, could not find one. The Biomedic is the only supplement that gets rid of glyphosate in the intestinal lining as well. This is huge because glyphosate is everywhere. If you're not eating 100% organic, then you are eating glyphosate. And it is creating a toxic buildup in the body. It creates this residue. And what this supplement does is it gets rid of that residue by 74% within 6 weeks. That is huge. This stuff is a godsend. This stuff has literally helped me get rid of leaky gut. I take one supplement in the morning, I take one supplement at night. It contains humic acid, fulvic acid, and prebiotics and probiotics. It also won the gold standard from the Detox Project. That's huge because the Detox Project is an extremely reliable website. It helps you discover what nutrients are good for you, what brands are good for you. This won some awards, so definitely recommend the Biomedic. The second one is Health Trinity by Natren. This brand is incredible. I actually was told to take these probiotics when I called up my channel guide, and she said, your guides are telling you to take Natren Healthy Trinity. I promise she wasn't making any money off of it. This has really, really helped my gut microbiome big time. This needs to be refrigerated, so that's the only downside, is you can't really travel with it, but I keep this one at home and I take one every single night. Did you know that most of you guys are carrying food from 8 meals ago in your gut? That's kind of gross. That means you're full of your own, yeah, you know what I mean. So if you take one of these every night, you can eliminate your food in 12 to 48 hours. That's legit. That is good stuff. This is clinically proven to have the 3 most powerful probiotic strains to be the most safe and effective for your body also. So definitely recommend Natren Healthy Trinity. This stuff is incredible. The third brand of probiotics is called Intelligence by Nature by Zach Bush. Wow, this probiotic is definitely effective and incredible. This has given me so much more energy throughout my day. I will tell you that how I discovered this brand was I had my cat on antibiotics and she started getting really lethargic. And I felt bad because I know that antibiotics kills the good bacteria in your gut. So if you've ever been on antibiotics, literally ever in your life, start taking probiotics. Literally even when you were a kid, take probiotics because your gut microbiome is probably out of balance. This is actually a triple whammy. You know why? Because they do have a pet probiotic. I started giving my cat these probiotics. Her energy levels shot up. I mean, she was running back and forth. She was like acting more feral, jumping on windowsills. She even cuddled with me like on a deeper level, like just grounded. Her emotions were grounded. She wasn't so like freaking out all the time. These probiotics have helped calm her anxiety down and ground her down. So the cool thing is they have one for pets as well. This is a triple whammy, guys. They also have skin support. This is a spray that I spray on my skin every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to bed. This has helped my skin in so many ways that it just tightens my pores and it gives me a nice glowy complexion. So probiotics for your gut, probiotics for your pet health, and probiotics for your skin health. This company also supports Farmer's Footprint, which is a conglomeration of scientists, doctors, and business owners who are exposing the damages caused by chemical farming. And they are offering a path for regenerative agriculture practices. So guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video discussing probiotics. Again, all the information is in the description below if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. I don't get a cut from any of these products except for the Biomedic, which I actually have a discount for you. So that's a pro. And if you have any questions about probiotics, definitely feel free to leave a comment below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Feel free to share this video with any friends, family, anyone who could improve their gut health, which is basically everyone. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Feel free.